Hello everyone, hello everyone. Welcome to Viandi Ebony page. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends from where you are watching me from. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? So today, guys, please share me out. Mona share this video, go meet this woman when they Jamie when they collect a song from her. This message from now for her. I especially want to do this video for her because some people just they color, they don't know say that they craze. Some people think say now they be God. Some people just they feel say now them be God, them themselves. He said me anybody not make video for her head again. Say anybody will make video now so you go this, now so you go that. Ah, we dey here. We dey here. Mona invite her for me. Guys, you are welcome. Please share this video. Make sure you get to her. If somebody know her, please invite her and come my table. Because if she thought say she did, because nobody carry her matter on social media. Now she carry herself on social media. And she want to say now. The social media presenters now, you say make waiting. Egbo mwe a bito me. Ya we amiri dia vaze on va jane my guy. My dear sister, on va jane Me I dey let you know. If you be who you be, you dear for your house. You dear away for your house. Nobody they send you. Nobody care. Nobody care where river you come from. Nobody cares say you come from anywhere. Because everybody when they say everybody get they take day. You understand? You know. Everybody get they take day. Everybody get they take they carry their matter they go. You know. When I invite that woman for me. When I invite her for me. Because may I play this small video of her. So when I go know.
Bless my prayer. If you know say you don't hurt me, I never find you trouble. I not do you bad.
No, not this lady now. This single mother by stupidity. This very lady. When be single mother by stupidity.
This one, you will see what will happen to you. I give you just 2 weeks.
My sister, you know.
You can't death when you go come knock for your door.
My sister, nothing they sup. May I let you know. If you rock by sunu. If you they fly, if you be mommy water, you use that a day. Your day, now your house. Because first of all, if they say made they follow the matter, it a day at the beginning, nobody carry you call social media #1. You know this single mother stuff of 18, When this issue starts, I know what talk put because now this social media we day when they talk about single mother by stupidity. When we go talk, they'll say, single mother, so, oh, why not they talk of single mother, so, why not they do single mother, so, una too they great single mothers. Hey, now they waiting, they cause una problem, now they use una they cause her. Nobody say you message. And moreover, my dear sister, if you depress for your house. May I tell you, you see that your mommy water of 18, you not say, people day, mommy water day will be say that they pass mommy water, my dear sister. Wake be son, who be fiete, who we rock pa. Who we rock pa.
The kind of temptation where you go knock for your way go to be. If you don't say you do video, you spoil my name, you share my name in any way, go and remove it. Quick.
Now via the ebony, they do the video. This one a fresh one. This one a fresh one, fresh video. This one a fresh video. They know that me, as I did this video, maybe I want to remove her from my page. I want to remove her. Because first of all, waiting you they cause here where here verbal you understand? You know, now when you know say una no juju stuff. Me, I believe in God. And the same time, I believe in juju the same time. Because even the Bible say, give what belongs to Caesar, and give what belongs to God to God. My dear sister, if you say you they fly, you know say people they fly for daylight. Forget that thing. Nothing is up. And I mean, one can move where dear social media, tieni, say anyway video against your one sing you go reach your body. If you be say They not be anybody. First of all, nobody call you to social media. Nobody tell you say me bring your problem. Nobody talk say me you come. May you call disgrace your remaining respect of your family. Nobody saying may you call put out for social media. As it be say you call carry a come now. People call help you analyze. People call join you doing. People help you doing where you say no. Say they curse you. They talk bad against it. For that reason, as all this one go happen, as well. My sister, na me they tell you, viens the ebony, they tell you, who be sa ugbe fiete. Ije, iya we mnama kia vawanye. My sister, we be san. You be who you be here for your house. You be who you be here for your family. You don't understand so? You don't understand so? You be who you be now for yourself. Nothing they sup. Nothing they happen. And any social media presenter will go breathe any video where they do a ghost you. That means they form my hand. Which guy talk? Bon me nai, Iva Bola Wegbia. Who is Zua? You see go mother by stupidity. First of all, you came out and disgrace Germany. You insult Germany. Nobody talk to you. Nobody talk against them. How dare you? This one at Jamie way be say they give you paper. This one at Jamie way be say they make sure say you get good life today. You come out at the first time, you talk nonsense, talk bullshit. Nobody cares. Nobody even want to talk anything. Nobody even want to reply you. Now you bring matter, you say me they advise you. First of all, when you come out, say they take your pikin. I not talk for inside. You know why? Because I know say, una way be single mothers or not even single mother. People when they collect their children away from them, they can never say the truth. I decided not to waste my saliva, waste my goddamn time to come and address the issue. Because I know say they know the sweet truth from their mouth. Una way be say that they collect children from their hand. They know they see truth from their hand. One day, you people will never say why the government took their children away from, take your child away from you. Never. Never. Una not go talk am. Then instead, una will come outside, una will call the fool and say for social media. You will call the fool and say for social media. When you come out the first time, they collect your pikin, no, you need depo, you need depo, you need depo, you need depo. Hey, make they call you. My sister, first of all, when it comes to the government, you cannot, nobody can help you. Sometimes not even the lawyer can help you. The lawyer not fit help you. Mona share this video, go meet that single mother by stupidity. When you born 4 children.
If you do it this night, look the time I do this video. You will come across trouble. Then, hey, you will lose whatever you have labored for.
Never.
You lose your children.
Never.
You will die untimely death.
Never.
You will labor. After you labor, if when
it will not happen.
You lose it. You started losing your children.
If it be saying that the people go carry the matter come up for your house, now those cause when they cause go reach their body. If it be say those people come your house, come bring your details out, come figure out your stupidity, then the cause when you lay on them, anybody go enter their body. If it be say what you bo, una you bo where you where una ya say gwela dia, ya na when ya kwanju we, e boy ya nurudi tie my dear go your house, go your household. Who go me go tell ele agbon.
Your husband, your wife, your happiness. You that mock me, you that spoil my name because of something happened to me.
First of all, they did not mock you. That is where you are missing it. They did not mock you. They only told you your mistake. Now, which are not like about black people, they always need reasons to compensate themselves. When they go in the wrong way, when people advise them, they will think these people are bad to them. They will think these people are, they are the wicked ones. No, those people are the ones trying to put you in your position, trying to tell you the mistake you made. Why is it that we don't just accept it the way it is? Why? Why we black are like that? Why? You people should stop compensating yourself with stupid thoughts and stupid stuff. How dare you come out and insult the presenters who address your case?
You did not call me on phone. You asked me anything. Then I deny you off. Then you started talking. what you did not know. This night is going to, after 2, 3, it's going to close to 3 o'clock now. I lay a curse upon you. May death knock in their door. Those people that mock me. May them lose their children. By the time their children will be a big man, a big woman, started.
Hey, Jesus! Why you be saying that Jamie, the stupidest single mothers, the stupidest one ever? Why you be saying that Jamie Dede? Why you be saying that Jamie Dede? Jamie, they try to make you people a better person. Jamie, they try to provide, try to pay for you guys' school fees. I went to school, why me? I went to school, why yo? I went to winner, why me ball? Jama will try their best, make you people to be like them, but you people will say no. Instead, you want to commit nuisance like this.
That child will die.
My sister, nobody child they die. No Bessie Pikin they die because they took your child. It was out of your stupidity. Out of your stupidity. Trust me. When I make when they connect anybody Pikin, I know they feel for those people. Now be say I know they pity for them. Because nobody knows know it all. Nobody. We mothers, we do make mistakes sometimes. But when you have a situation like this, you're supposed to keep calm. You're supposed to look for solution. You're supposed to think, what will I do that the government will give me my child back? What will I do? Oh, no. No. Una know they do one. For you to work with the government and look for the solution, you are there committing more nuisance. I see your video. Wait. Sister, when they curse, so. Sister, when they curse. Sister, when they curse, and they come, oh. May I find the video and be say, you they use, You they use, say they, wait. You they use, say they, the video when they use take carry another man come house. Abi, you say you won't talk. You say na your brother bia you call us Zuo. Etu we Zua, de tu we my Zua una word yeah. Owa we ladia. When they took your child, can you even you go get power even take time say you will drink if you really love that child so much? I think you will look for a solution. You will look for solution and you will decide to do anything the government said you should do. No, why me your boy? Instead, you come. Oh God, wait this video safe. Instead, you come. Can't they commit nuisance? I don't see this video. Scheiße.
I will forgive you before 2 weeks. If you tell me sorry, if you know you have made video, you comment bad comment on my picture, you make wrong video against me, you mock me that the German people have took away my baby, you started mocking me, I will forgive you before 2 weeks. If you pass 2 weeks, you did not do video, I say sorry. You did not.
Sorry for what? This is what I don't understand by you people. Hey, lady, sorry for what? Hello? Bisu Ferruct of Lavas. Sorry for what? They should come and tell you sorry for your stupidity. They should come and tell you sorry because they corrected you for your stupidity. Are you out of your freaky goddamn mind? Huh? Tell you sorry for what, madam? Tell you sorry for what now?
Happiness. I'm not God. Though.
If maybe now they go carry the issue come out for inside your house. We are one area now. Oga like me or you go the enter my ear. As far nobody collects those information from you, from inside your house. Now you use your hand bring her come outside. My sister. Ogo awa no here. How would I say it? No.
How are you, everyone? I never marry. I'm still single.
Not be you be
The man
this.
you people see me with kissing, we are just is a form. Because some people, man, when they talk short. You know, girls, now single mother. Now make I see carry one of my friend come out, whether they will see shut up their mouth. Or no, I see carry one of my friend come out. Me and you know the friend. We just but do it the video. We just but take picture. And we know the friend. We just but take picture. We just but do video for people to rest. Because they say, hey, now single mother for Germany. Now it's okay. Now I see call one of my friends. Then I say, okay, let's take picture together so that make them rest. Make them rest. Okay, let's do video.
If you be mother way get sense. If you be mother way be say you get sense. Which one be I by just do one? I by say make I by just do one. I by waiting. Where the man there, your children they cry around there. You they kiss the man, you say you buy doing. Why would you spend that time? Use that time to sit down and think about how you are going to get your son back. Why? Why would you use that time? Why would you use that time to think, what will I do that the rest of my children will not be gone in the next time? My sister, you see this thing when you they do so. May I tell you one thing? If you not take time, you see the remaining of your children, they go carry on. If you not take time, trust me, now Jamie with it.
But as I said, I say people
you buy the drum.
Hey, the woman when they cry yesterday, he don't get boyfriend. Now I make a say come and tell us say now form. I don't know anything.
Now fun. What is fun? Sometimes some mothers don't know what is fun. If you want to have fun, you have your fun. I am not against that. I am not against that. If you not take time, now me they tell you, now Jamie, me I see there. You see the remaining of your children. Ha ha! I trust German government. Hey, you see the remaining of your children. I trust German government. They will move them. Government in they had them. They had them to collect. They go collect the remaining of your children.
Many rubbish. Okay, but as I see come out and then I happy. People see do video, they see tell me say, hey, the woman when they take it picky, he don't they happy or he don't they kiss. He not get husband. Go and look for your husband. Now I say, okay, now I call my brother. Now I say, I bet call my friend. I bet I want me with don't but take picture.
Oswanumako.
I see do her now. Another person do video. I say, hey, the woman when they cry, you know they play love for video. Una must talk.
They must talk.
I said that was it. Una must talk. No.
See, when you want to impress people, you will end up you will end up in a hot soup. Me, I tell you, you did there, you want to impress people, tell they say, I get husband, and I say I not get husband, and I say I not get husband, and I not say I not get husband. You go the door. I buy one duan. My sister, why are you fooling? You they fool yourself. You they disgrace the remaining respect when your family get. Now you got the disgrace. So you know that one. If you not take time, Jamie, if they not collect the remaining children of your own, not call me Ebony. If Jama not collect the remaining kids, if you not change, if you not change for this your stupid and useless attitude of yours, which day they collect your pikin here? You know how many video you don't do?
I go to do marriage with King for dream. King.
Since when they collect your pikin, you don't know how many videos you don't do. Instead for you to be making the things to be easier, you are making it to be worse. What sort of mother are you, my dear? What sort of mother are you? Tell me. What sort of mother are you? For you to sit down, think about, God, what will I do? What can I do? How will I go to make sure my son is back to me? You are there. You want to impress people. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh God. And then you can't welcome.
Hello, everyone.
Not be you be this.
How are you?
Sister way mumu, not be you be this.
I'm still single.
The man
you people see me with kissing, we are just is a form.
It's a fun.
People man when they talk short. You don't get us man. Now single mother. And I make a see carry one of my friend come out, whether they will see shut up their mouth. I see carry one of my friend come out. Me and you know the friend. Just by doing the video. Picture.
Una by do video. Why you not back? Go look for work man you they do. Sister when mumu you by do the video. Why you not by do work? Why you not by go find work man you do? You they do video, you by do them. Because people thought say you not get boyfriend. I by do the video, we by kiss. We by kiss, your pikin was there. Your pikin there. I dey hear your baby voice for that video. I don't see the video for gossip wahala self. I not see you by do but you know by go me government. Say government, I bet wait I won't do anything. Why I tell bring my pikin come? No. You know by doing, you know by fair solution. You by go bring my come. Ah, you think, let me tell you one thing, my darling. You see this journey where we did. You know, I love Germans for one thing. I love Germans for one thing. If you they lie, you they mumu, you they play smart, they'll zip their mouth. They go zip their mouth. You know what they no say, now you go see use your hand and your leg can't enter their own trap. And then, bam! They go deal with you. That is Jamie for you. You understand? That is how they play. If you not change, sister way mumu, if you not change, your remaining children, if they not collect her for your hand, you see this video so they do so. People they when you go they download and or they send her go cut. You see that cut where your picky they go they send her, they go they here got paid or they pile and before you know, all those videos, all of them go end up for cut. It go do you surprise. When George go they bring everything they come out. Give to sanity. Don't blame her too much. A lot of people are depressed. This is what, my lady, with due respect, depression a thing of choice. Trust me. When you are depressed, try to come out of it. I know it's difficult to come out of it, but don't dip yourself more on inside. Because when you do that, you are not going to hurt yourself alone, but you are going to hurt your children when you have one. This is what many mothers don't know. You are not going to hurt yourself alone. You are going to hurt your kids. Your kids will be the one that will suffer it at the end. That is the fucking truth. They will be the one to suffer it at the end. Now she use her mouth talk and say she go court. As she go court, lawyer tell her say make it talk say pikin not normal. It can be possible that child was really not normal, but the mother refused to notice that from that child. He refused to see if there is something wrong with that child. Government not they collect pikin for no reason. I dey tell people, they go say, Jama like to collect pikin for people hand. Jama, una know how much they pay for foster parents. Una know how much. All these kind of people now, they know they watch news. They know they watch documentary. They know if you ask them now, may they tell you to channel. When they Jama station, they will not know it because they are not going there. They are not watching. They are not caring. They don't want to know. Now they are mad. They go they see fake news. Now our black people mad will go they see fake news. Waiting they know waiting not the happen for Jamie. Now they are mad now for the year. When I go meet them, they'll call the shot. Jamie no good though. Jamie bad though. They like collect pikin.
We just take picture. We just do video.
But take picture.
They say, hey, na single mother, na single mother for Jamie. Now it's okay. Now I see call one of my friends. Then I say, okay, let's take picture together so that make them rest.
You see as you mumuna. Ake no hu na ledi no keke. Egbe na ake no hu na ledi no keke. Wana ake no sister ake no hu na ledi no keke. Ye when ya. I buy.
Okay, let's do video. Let's just by kiss.
Let's just by kiss.
As I say people don't see the carry and they go say, the woman when they cry yesterday, he don't get boyfriend. Make us come and tell us say now form. I don't know anything when you go do for this that way people no go talk.
My dear sister, now today you know. No what no sister no zua no working here ko about where nothing you would do for people that they will not talk, and then you want decided to use your children to play gamble for people. Now your children you want use to play gamble right now. Right now your children you want use to play gamble. Now you're the remaining your children I don't want to because your nuisance for Facebook not they too much these days.
The woman when they take it, he don't they happy.
Yeah.
He don't they kiss. He not girls man. Go on.
Sister we be say no zwa no working here ko nobody care about your happiness. So let me tell you the secret. Nobody, I mean nobody care about your happiness. If you like, go and trade your destiny. Trade down. What's zwa? Trade your destiny. Say you want use that to impress people. You will lose everything. You go lose everything. The time when you take all the commit nuisance now.
Now I call my brother. Now I say I better call my friend.
The time when you they use now, can't they do this one now? Why you not use the time to find solution for your picking? Now it make when some of our black people, I know Victor say single mother because they say they collect picking for couples. You understand? Let me generalize it together for everybody. If they collect your picking, pipe low, stay calm, relax because they look you. You see that one where they collect now. No be go be the last. You say everybody talker. You go talker say everybody talker. No be even the last. It's not the last. If they start to they collect your picking for Germany, my dear, all of them go finish. They go they find another excuse. You see this thing now when this I cannot go now. They did not care they do so.
They say, the woman when they cry,
They
they
say,
play love for video. Una must talk. You see, I said that word said una must talk. Not too many person.
Thank God say now you use your mouth to talk. Say the word must talk. Of course they must talk. Who tell you say they not talk? They must talk. Hey. Now you make you don't need to live your life for them. Now you make you don't need to risk your remaining children for them. Because what you are doing right now, let me tell you, darling, your other kids will be gone in a very short time. I trust my Jama people. I trust the God. I trust my Jama people. Enema ginya inya rivai. Enema ge Jamani inya rivai. To collect pikin, you know they do Jamie anything. They don't care whether they have to spend money for it. You know they shake them. They get that power. They go say they get loose. They get that strength. They get that strength. After she does war like this, so after she does war like this, after she does colo like this, that is lack of education. See, my sister not be lack of education. See, people they will not go school, but they got common sense. When God creates us, He give us wisdom. Trust me. When God creates us, He give us wisdom. Do you know that some people they will not go school, they get sense. They wise person you go university. Do you know that? Do you know? Not be lack of education. This is lack of stupidity. As in stupidity, na ya se wu yen na wa ya sagbada. O magi o mama mue. After he don't do this stupidity video finish, after he don't do a finish, o mama mue eriri magbe kwae. No na deva well here wa deva or wa de over we. No na fio boya ke kwale miame no wa joy no joy. No na fio boya ke no ya kwale miame no joy. No na go mi go tell la agbona the way video na. She came out.
your live video and you insulted me. I did not insult you first. So because of that, God is going to grant my prayer. Wherever I came from is going to grant the prayer because I belong to somewhere here.
Oh.
Because I'm married to a king.
Oh, yeah.
He may not be a king of this world. He may be a spiritual king. I can't lay a curse upon you.
Una list you.
From today go.
My people, more than list.
You will never find happiness.
Ah, okay.
Only death will knock in your door.
Back to sender.
Pain. Tears.
Back to sender.
Pain upon pain.
Back to sender.
Temptation. It shall come to your home.
Your home, me go return because of Mama Kuro not to go where, my guy. Nobody say you may you bring your shame at disgrace cause social media. Nobody send you message, eh?
You mock me.
Now waiting me they talk. Black people to always they fight waiting go they compensate them. Una go make mistake finish. Una go they fight waiting go compensate una. What is that? When you made a mistake, eh? Try and accept that your mistake and deal with it. See, I remember when we dey go school that year, my teacher they talk and say, if you pretend you know and you don't know, you can never know. Never. You will not know.
Because they take my baby from Germany, you not started doing video for me. You not started mocking me. You not started.
They did not mock you. Let me correct you there. They did not mock you. You came out. You cried out. You needed help. You didn't even care where the help would come from. You needed help. You wanted people to console you. You wanted people to advise you. Right? Am I right? And then you got it. They talked about where you were wrong, the mistake you make. And then you are not here telling, they mock me. They not mock you. They only tell you the side when you wrong. They only tell you the side make you for wrong. Where you for wrong, you mistake where you make. What I expect you to do is to sit down. Take the one you want to take and throw the one you don't want to take away. That is how you get advice. What is your opinion right now? You know? That is what you are. My lady Jeff, what is your opinion right now? My opinion is that when you bring your issue to social media, you need advice. That is why you brought it to social media, right? If you need advice, you bring her across social media. Then una go bring her finish. When the people go advise you, tell una the part una for wrong. For una to take the part. For una to take the parts where be una for wrong. Una go throw away that one. Una go they carry the one where be say he pay una for here. Now una go take. You can never learn like this. Juliet, please, sister, it's not all black. No, oh, my lady Juliet, it's not all. No, gallant black they like me nah. Una many nah. I just they talk to the doomest people. The stupid ones, now they talk to, better black day. Better single mother, they will be say, their sense, or what baroon. Better single mother, they will they know their left from their right, or their right from their left. They know. Single mothers, they. Gallant one. A round of applause for una jale, una way be single mother, way, guess what? Not the ones with stupidity. Like somebody like this one now. Or Zwa walking here, cook here.
They tell you about me. You don't call me.
Mm.
You can't do live video for me. You can't spoil my name. They're not gay. Can you imagine? Can you compare the time when you never insult me and the time you did now? Which time you take half peace pass? Since when you temper with me, I believe say no gay, not they were again.
Nothing do a no gay, my sister. Why it be say, Emi aga sunu sorti happen. No ma fiek ba we what you be. Hey, just salo bois. Wait till she they talk self. He says it's where Ologie talk to her. Now so Ologie life not gone. My sister, wake baby rock, because if not be Ologie, I don't want to say anything about that video where be say Ologie do. You know why? Because number one, I don't know how true it is. Because on May J, where be say they go come out, they won't just tarnish the image of the woman. Now make me, I not go talk one word for them. The man thought say na he get the last pikin with this woman, but the woman said no, he be what make it sign for the pikin. We don't know what to believe. Me, I don't know what to believe. I zip up my mouth because here where me no bogbomaji because me no my etik bebe. Me my etik bebe oh my lady Juliet, no problem. No, I'm just talking to the stupid ones. The video we no get do. We know more secrets. More secrets when it happen. Okay. How you go cut us say na waiting you do that is where Onoge no cost you. He only advise you. He only tell you. And moreover, no be Onoge come out for years. Go meet the so-called your baby father when he call. If na he be really your baby father, because you say not be your baby father, the guy say be your baby father of your last child. Right? He said na he be the last, na he get the pikin. When be say be the last pikin when he get. The boy say na he get her. Now the boy even make us they not say they sleep. Say the boy they sleep with the one of the daughter. Abi? If all those one not come out, I want to know with the social media commenters and the likers and the subscribers and the I'm a bot for them like us. I will for know. My guy we rock money hand by now. By now, my guy we rock ba. And now you the cause no gay. You have temper with the wrong person. We man say.
Everybody belongs to somewhere. Wherever I come from today, you know fear. You can't talk to a queen. A queen that married to a king.
Okay.
You too small now.
Okay.
You talk to queen.
Queen of who again?
But
I don't know.
For that, say I'm a queen.
Oh.
But I want to be a queen for the world, not for the sea.
Okay. And doggy will give him my body door. Hey, even me and Germany, una too duo. Now una carry news as go give put for the ones where it gets sense for his side. I'm not to blow na esu wa gbuwa, nesu wa ya gbuwa. Ogbe manu wa wena. He say he be queen of where again? Of river. Oh God. Jesus. I believe say yeah we get again wa veriebe. Yeah we get again wa veriebe. Kid.
I want to be in this one. I want to enjoy my
Queen that is married to a king, my foot.
That one of fine. But I know say I be mommy water according to the way Bright talk. Bright no lie.
Okay.
Talk truth.
Yes,
I belong to those kind of spirits.
But
I still know say
Mumu Queen. My lady Juliet, he said na Mumu Queen. Guys, you are welcome. Lady Endurance, he said queen that is married to a king, my foot. You're good. You say king, a queen that is married to a king, my foot. No, you're not good. A queen that is married to a king, my ass. My ass, this my ass. Dodge go say Ashlock. Idiot. Mumu. Queen that is married. We're married to a king. Agbu we na wafie tu aberiana. We were married to a king. Vame. Agbu we na wafie tu aberiana. Queen we married king, my ass. Come on, my ass. Not be my foot. Oh, when you get me oja. Oh, when you get me oja, salobo me la oh. My foot. This my gallant foot. My ass. The nyash wife for the shit they come out. The endurance, now that is supposed to turn. Correct her, right time again, correct her. Correct that word. My ass. Not be my foot. Which foot? As that your foot, your fair is so you not like that your leg. Which can't be that one? You say good for ass. My ass, not your foot. Oh zuaragbon. Oh warrior, no zua no your kou. Mumu go to university. Nonsense like ingredients. For waiting. People when marry mommy water, if you sit there, you know say agbon maya. I believe in God. And I still believe in juju. Because when I was a child, my grandfather, you know, family. There's a big grig, you know, na juju they go. We move out. Me, my father, my mother, we move out of that lane. We now know God. People will be queen, will be mommy water. If you look their life to go gallant. The mommy water where you be, now the one no was well working. Wait till no be now go they say now na be. And they tell now if you don't know God, not go they cause devil. See this lady, See, if you know say you don't know God, not go they cause devil. Not go they cause devil. If you know say mommy water they do you, why you never carry your pikin call from the government? Why they never appear? Be the what you call a spiritual husband? I be what I call a mommy water husband. Is it to say may you know take care of your children? Jesus Christ! Why some of our Benin people just zwar like that? Some, not be all, oh, some of them. Why it be say? Mo we check out why it be say na the stupidest one. Some of them now their countries abroad. If you see people where be mommy water, we are one where who are one million where yes there wanahi who why pa or who went no raw now zo the one way they na pit mommy water you be pit lake.
I want marry for the word.
I
know say juju they called me.
No be only call.
God they call me and juju they call me.
The juju is calling her name. She is running to the juju. The juju is calling her name. Is running to the juju. The juju is calling her name. She is running to the juju. Sister Nozua. Ugwomi go telele wagbon. Okay. Yeah, so ever do. Hi. Uagumemia me do na. Okay, no mama gbon ni o ma me na ati ebo Ozuo. No zuo we yen ko wu.
Because na juju side now belongs to.
Now juju nobody argue with you.
Now river my power dey.
Nobody argue with you. Who argue with you? Viewers una argue with her. If you know say you argue with her, say now from the river she for I bet right and say yes. If you not agree, if you not argue with her, say no.
Unless I continue being a native daughter and I be no one be.
You see, people like this supposed to still remain in Nigeria. One in we are dear webo where you know you need to be juju, you need to be waiting to carry you kwa. But I know they like all this kind of nonsense. All this one are nonsense like ingredients because ingredients of stew. You know ingredients of stew. Nah, yeah, we normal more there. Help me ask him. I pity the poor child. If I talk now, man, I not verse. If I talk now, say me the government carry the remaining children. They'll say, Bonnie, your mind dirty. Oh, do not get picky like your own. Let me fear not let me talk anything like that. Oh, if not, I forgot call the you get may the help take care of the other one. Cause no na egbe wona ne webo. Egbe wona ne in Nigeria. When all you wa, ema bun egbe webo na ema bun. Emma Bunegbe woe or Wamagiarie, the day abroad, especially my wonderful country, Germany, they commit users. If a baller wagbe. All of them when they say German not good. If a baller yagbe. Because if we now the house they day. No be you start to the get social worker. He say social worker come he call collect pikin now so he ask the social worker, hey, you talk now. He say he juju show na the other video. He say he juju show and say tell her say na he pikin dem won't call collect. Why you did not maintain yourself then? My sister, you don't argue with her now. You argue with her. You argue with her.
But I cannot see judge you. I can see change.
You can.
God can also change me.
God
can also heal me and reject that spirit from.
Bawe gwan zuo. Bawe gwan mumu go to university. Bawe gwan. You know God will change you. Why the time you are spending in social media, also why you are away fasting and prayer, who are kalaba randere baba rakas karab every spiritual mami husband, I cast, I ban, I destroy. Rendere baba. I go seriously. I go bawere. Anyway, Donny. If you, as me say na social media, you call they tell us, I bet mona join me for prayer. Oh, I want cast the spiritual husband when I get. Oh, now he make me not see future. Oh, we go help you. We go help you. You see my sister, blessy, my elbow galanted sister, Afana. People many ways don't tire for abroad, but to wama gianjo. Ask not let them go. Then they call the disturb us for this social media. Say waiting. Sister, not zwa.
But you that mock me, don't know me, don't know how I pass through. Don't know how my mother go look for me, where he forgot me, where I from, where I belong to, the place I come, in any problem I have today, you don't know where I come from. Then you just started talking, and you don't be everybody that they talk.
Sister Nozwa, we don't fucking care. Sasha Bank, thank you. You are funny and beautiful. Thank you. We not care whether your mama go carry you for river. I bet viewers, it concern now. It concern now whether your mama go carry her come up for river or not. It concern now. That is your problem. It's none of our problem. And then, why not come to insult those of us when we say we are trying to advise you? Wait, self. When we advise you, they cost yourself, cost your remaining future when you get to the cost at the hard cost they join her. They send you.
That's for me. They insult everybody for me. They're not be everybody that they talk to. There are people you cannot mess up with. If you mess up with these people, you started having problem.
My sister, we know say people there you cannot mess with. I can mess up. Where you don't bath. You don't bath. Jesus. If you bath, you should say you soap bath. If you see soap take bath, you should say see cream take rub. No, cream wait. Sit on we take clean body. If this one sit on we take clean body. Good evening.
Before you go start losing. Your children go they die. You go they have problem.
Temptation not there because not be we carry you call social media at the beginning. Mama gie won.
That is why.
Mama gie won, my sister.
Mostly people will not make trouble with you. Then they make trouble with them. That is why I come and this is after 2. It's 3 o'clock. If you know that you don't do me bad, you see the time when I take command. You see not be only me one day. If they see me only me one, but not be only me one day here now.
My sister said, "Nah, English I like pass." He said, "Nah, English you like pass." Hey, English na waiting. Evil PG, a PG Magbavu, a PG not even correct for our maths. A PG, common PG, not correct for this bomb full mouth. When he say he won't swear for people. Or swore.
And they will grant my prayer.
Grant waiting prayer. Grant waiting prayer. Who won't grant your prayer? Now be waiting for people. No, they don't understand juju. They get juju, they don't understand that. They get Bible, they serve God, they don't know about Bible. They don't know about Bible. Grant your prayer. Grant your stupidity now. Grant your stupidity. After you carry Marco as yesterday, you bring video, come out, you do video. I don't know when you do video. Or Zuonu Marco. I don't care when you do video. You carry video, come out. They kiss man for the presence of your children. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Baby, kiss me. Mwah. Baby, what is your Benin name? Cheese. What is your Benin name? Kiss me, baby. Your pikin dead there. Ozuo. And you want me? Who is say me grant me? No salobo me gem yo ja. Ogidi game no ba. Oba ni gati ogwe me ma. That is my God. My God not the answer those kind of prayer. Jesus. Sister no zua.
If you know say you don't hurt me.
Hot
I
waiting.
never find you trouble.
Hot waiting.
I don't do you bad.
Who is talking?
Then you can't carry my matter, come me there. If you tell me sorry, I will say forgive you. But if you ignore it, say no, wait till this one they talk. Hey, this one, hey. You will see what it will happen to you. Forgive you.
Wait till this one they talk. Now, let me ask you. So, we are Zelena, Watanona. We are Zelena. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Was Zelena? We are Guana. Don't want no Ladian. We are you know na. No zua no worrying yeko. Go mother by stupidity. Because of Unana, they cause all those galaxy go motor. When be say they're ready to train their children. Party na say this girl no where. She no where. Egbe marani na. Una no say that one they sick. If they sick, he's supposed to go psychiatric. Now you know. Now today you know. She they do video for the past how many months now. I keep her quiet. They look at it. Say maybe in a offer no make us swallow. But if not be say he do this video. Now this video make me reply her.
The kind death where you go come knock for your door, you go too big. The kind temptation where you go come knock for your door, you go too big. If you don't say you do video, you spoil my name, you share my name in any way, go and remove.
They not spoil your name, they correct you. Now they correct you, my dear sister. Me, I still tell you, you never they hear when they talk, say, if you don't know God, not cause devil. If you don't know God, not go cause devil. Because if you go cause devil, may I tell you one secret today? You see God and devil that they rapport. That they rapport, if they won't deal with you. Devil go give reasons to God why he got to let him deal with you. Because number one, now you use your hand cause problem. How you go come out, you call the swear for people when I advise you.
Because I don't find your trouble. If you do it this night, look the time I do this video. You will come across trouble.
Oh.
Pain.
Hey.
You will lose whatever you have labored for.
If you be God,
You lose your children.
so shall it be.
You will die untimely death. You will labor.
If it be, say, your private life, your issue, your stupidity, if it be, say, now the social media presenters, now you can go carry out for your house. All this cost where you cost, it go reach all of us, body, oh, amen. But if it be, say, now you carry yourself, come out for social media, because anything we see for social media, now street, oh, now street we see them. Now waiting we see, now streets. Amabu we had your one at the now streets. Now streets, oh, streets, now we now social media be now waiting we see, now we talk. Hey sister, not Zua, now waiting we see, now we talk. You dey hear me? Oga me that if it be say now we can collect the issue from your house. Come meet you. All the cost where you cost, you go reach all the social media. The social media people where you talk about the issue, you go reach their body. If it be say they not go your ask a collector, my dear, all those costs where you cost, it go affect you. You not reach your children body because they have nothing to do with it. And not go cost your children because those children are innocent. You breed their con this water. God say now Europe you bought there. They will have a better parent who will take care of them. Okay, boy. They will not see the enemy, they will die. They are children will die. Argue make you well. Viewers una send a message. Commenters una send a message. You say both people will comment. Both people will like. Commenters una send a message. Viewers una send a message. This girl no. This girl nowhere. Oh, you carry yourself confidence now. She still they cry, make they carry it to her house. Who go help her carry her house? Who want help her carry her house? We see now. We want help her carry her data. See what she they do. If now you go carry her house again, you go carry this idiot on full her house again.
You that mock me.
Mock waiting. They did not mock you. They corrected you.
Something happened to me. And you started spoiling my name. I did not offend you. You did not call me on phone. You asked me anything.
You don't already offend us. Make I tell you. You don't already offend us. You know where you for offend us. When be say you they can't swear for presenters when you talk for your issue. Say what happen. May I tell you the truth? At the beginning, when this issue, when you carry yourself come out at the beginning, I smile. May I tell you the truth? I not get one pity. You see pity like this, I not get for you. You know why? Your attitude at the first place make me to know you are not a responsible mother. Your attitude at the first place, it make me know say you are not a responsible mother. And then the things where they come out for your mouth. Or you know, as a mother, as a gallant mom, as a responsible single mom, as a wonderful mother to your children, when you talk, you're supposed to have a break. A good mother talk, and then they have a break. Mothers don't talk anyhow. Mothers don't just do things anyhow. Mothers don't just make decisions anyhow. Because they have kids. They have to take off first. Before anything. As a good mom, before you make any decision, think of your children first. It's not a big thing. It's not big that the children can ask from you as a mom. As a mom, always have a break. You don't talk anyhow. You don't behave anyhow. You don't commit nuisance. As a mom, when some single mothers, as a mom, when some single girls, they behave some character, they bring some character come out. You, as a gallant mom that you are, you're supposed to sit down, relax, say, make better nane. Do you know why you have to say that? Because your kids are involved now in your life. You have to take care of your children. If you are a mother, you talk and have a break. You don't talk beyond boundaries. You don't behave beyond my boundaries. Your attitude should show that you are a responsible mom. Do you know that your children can be, they can be ashamed of you as a mom? Do you know that? As a mom, you have to show a good example to your children, especially when you have girls. Especially when you have daughters. Hello? Hello? What is that? What is that? How a mother, go they talk anyhow like this?
Then I deny you off. Then you started talking. What you did not know.
See Anna.
This night.
They talk, they come up for position. How can a responsible mom talk without no break? How can a responsible mom be talking without no having a full stop? What kind of mom do you think you are? How can a mom make decision without not thinking first about her children? Are you want to be a mom like that? I don't think so. When you are a responsible mom, even if another mother, they commit nuisance, waka come off for there. Because you want to classify yourself among the good mom. As a responsible mom, you have to live your life for your children. That is what good mother does. Live your life for your children. Do anything to protect your kids. Make sure you do anything that will make your children be a better person tomorrow. What is this? How can you come out and be insulting the people try to advise you? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? They did not mock you. They advised you. They tried to tell you the side you were wrong. They tried to tell you why you have to be careful. And then you come outside, you dey proud to talk, say you want born 15 children. How you want to train the 15 children? How you want to train that your 15 children? Tell me how. How will you train that your 15 children? How you want to train them? Do you know how much a child costs in Germany? The real good mothers will testify. The mothers when people say they know how much they sell one sneakers for pikin for store, they will testify. You think child is so easy, it's very cheap to take care of. Kids are expensive. I can't imagine how you can raise up 15 children. I not blame una now. I blame una. When people say na Germany they give una money go reach part one at the way na Germany Germans na go pay for una. Eh? Now they go pay for una. Pay una house rent, pay una water. How you not say you want born 50 children? Oh, argument now where me I pay 15 children, born 50 children. I be any to Almo. When I know say I dey buy one shoe for pikin for 50 euro. I'll call born 50 children because they do me. They do me. Sister Parkwell, oh. Sister Parkwell, eh? Parkwell. Parkwell. If I see this kind of nonsense video again and you reply me, oh, Anna wag we reply me, una reply me. Jehovah God makashuku, una reply me in your way. Eh? Anya me vie wo hiano. Try me again. We Danny Mege. Reply me. And then let me come and tell you how a good mother supposed to be. How a good mother supposed to talk with a break. Because everything get break. Even we human be. If we walk when I make her at the old age, we can't die. Because that is when the body is already exhausted. The body have to rest. Imagine 50 children. Commenters are not go kill me with laugh. He said 50 children, 15 fathers. And so he go be my lady. 50 children, 15 mothers. 50 fathers. No zwa. No walking in your co.
May death knock in their door. Those people that mock me.
He don't already there your house. You see where for your concern. So now there.
Children. By the time their children will be a big man, a big woman, started giving them food to eat. That child will die.
Some people too go they get my child. Some people they too go they get my child. I do was I don't know what your money, but if now you be God when you create that pikin. Now you go toss if you read the time when you want go give your parents water, they go die. My sister, they know nothing they happen at your house. See now they don't collect one of your pikin. Eh? See Anna.
I will forgive you before 2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks okay, who wait 2 days or 2 hours? Who wait 2 days or 2 hours? You say 2 days or 2 hours. Uzuawagbon. Ugwomi go telele. Akenoguna ledi no keke.
You tell me sorry. If you know you have made video, you comment bad comment on my picture. You make wrong video against me. You mock me that the German people have took away my baby. You started mocking me. I will forgive you before 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks in the 2 weeks in the keregbe, sister. 2 weeks in the keregbe. What make it 2 hours or 2 seconds? Uzuawagbon. Make it 2 seconds. May you see whether those people, you know those people when you they talk about, you know they fly for afternoon for his side. Eh? You know they fly for afternoon for his side. Wait till now not be, now say now not be. Will not be anything. Will not be anything. Will not be shit. It's sour here, why here. These people, all these kind of people. Kisses to those my gallant single mothers. Maybe say they get swag, you know. You know those single mothers when you get swag. Ballet for now. You know all those mothers when be say that they put their children first before them. This one are for now. Wopina.
The past 2 weeks, you did not do video. I said sorry.
So waiting.
Don't change that your comment.
Sorry, my ass. May I show you my ass? Sorry, my ass.
Lost your happiness.
Sorry, my ass. Because women are not be sorry my foot. Women are no my fine leg. Because they say
you used me to
fine
do your
leg.
live video and you insulted me. I did not insult you first. So because of that, God is going to...
This guy see they vex me. Which one be say they insulted you? They correct yourself, madam. They correct yourself, madam. They correct yourself. They did not insult you. They corrected your stupidity. Why is it that some of our black women, they don't accept their mistake? Why? Why? Mona, they stop to they compensate on herself with stupidity. Why? Sometimes no would they guesses. Did they vex me? Which can't be this? Jam mama, let me call the cost now. Cause now I carry all this guy idiot come Germany. Which can't be that? For that to they scream them before that they carry enter this country. All these kind of people they can't spoil the gallant mothers when they Jamie.
Wherever I came from is going to crown the prayer because I belong to someone.
Because of all these idiots. Every time social media, single mother in Germany, single mother in Germany, single mother in Germany, they are not good. German women are not good. It is heavy. Now because of all these idiots. A
king of this world.
Mona change. Mona they select the women. Mona they can't call here. Mona they select them. Which can talk with that one? How na go carry this guy person enter Deutschland? Why na carry this guy person call? In fact, na go give her paper journal. Why? Why?
My husband will fight.
Your husband will fight. Which husband? The one with the water.
The husband that I have married to, he married to me 3 times. He will fight for me.
Okay, your husband with this water go fight you.
Those of you that mock me, my husband is here with me. His spirit is here with me.
Una dey hear wetin they talk. Una dey see nonsense wey they talk come up for mouth.
And I don't want to belong there, but they are calling me to be there. But I belong. But I still know that I can also change tomorrow. God can also.
What they gave no laja munu eh? He say your husband go fight. The one way he married 3 times. I'm here Germany. I'm here Deutschland. Ejala Michael, you too go good though. If not be say you try for us, I swear. Ese work boy. Neso ya gbogbe ma veriana. Ejala make ne su we ayak buwe for your good to kill you go kill people like this because I say unia.
Be a native doctor. You will be a
Say unia.
a day can change a man.
She too mumu.
Too young for that, but this
She too mumu. She too mumu.
they are the one that
She too mumu. Waiting. Say spiritual house man go come fight.
so I cannot ignore there is the place I came from. So you temper with a queen. In real life, you cannot temper with queen. But you temper with a queen of
Oh
and
God.
this night,
Hey.
you
Ijebeo.
will lost your
Ijebeo.
happiness. Police
Hey.
will not coming to your house and knock every day. Enoge, I will also forgive you if you say sorry. You will not have problem again. But if you ignore my
Enoge. With due respect, if you say sorry, I'll not say you yourself. I don't want to insult you because with due respect, with due respect. If you I'm coming. With due respect, if you say sorry, I not say you yourself, you not be strong man. Forget that thing, you not be strong man. If you say sorry, I not say enough. You say sorry, you know for my hand. You for my hand. Where for the boy, man? You know for my hand, my brother. I know how you take day. You know for my hand. You know for my hand. You know say sorry. If you say sorry, the English can make me laugh. My lady, I say the English, Even pidgin. A pidgin magbavu no for pidgin not complete to our mouth.
you insult me, talk bad about me, you will come across trouble. Enoge of saga social media enoge, not enoge of Kingo. Enoge of social media. I'm talking to you because you are the first person that mocked me. You are the first person that did video bad about me.
When I say they say me they talk, I will say no get to talk. It not be true. Sister, where mumu, wait here no get talk, not be true. Not be true. You zwa, you mumu, you zwa agbon. Wait here no get talk, not be true. If not be true, you not see the way they commit nuisance now. Since when they collect your pikin, you know they finish for live video. For you to concentrate when you go the first solution to how you take get your son back. You there, you know, you have the effortry. You have the audacity. You have that zeal to come out. What? If a bola wegbe wazua. If you not take time, those your children, they'll take her from you. You see those remaining one, they'll take her. Me, I tell you one secret about. See, you see that video where you do all those videos where you do all those videos they do. Now one day you go surprise, you go the next time when you go cut up, they go play and give you me. You see how you they swore. See now in that psychiatrist they'll go put you for this Jamie where would they? If they not go put you for psychiatric not call me Ebony. If you continue like this and you not change, you they do like say you not know the jam as when you know this country when you did the Jamie when you did say be like say you never know their finish. You never know their finish. For now to go, they do research of the country one a day. Una go, they do another thing. They do waiting, they not take, they not sound a message. Una go, they do another thing. Have a single mothers by stupidity. Have any zua.
After you, German first lady. After a German first lady, Gladys.
I trust German first lady. Any of it. I trust Jabba first lady. Oviere mi over Odokama we sorry. A social media presenter to see. When be say they top for this matter. They not go sleep if they can't beg you now. Who you be? Who she be? I forget. I forget who she be. When I forget say na queen of the queen because she married to king. You know now she be the queen. Yeah, now I know. Now I know say she be queen. I the reason I say who she be. Eh? I can't forget say she be queen. Oh, Ebony. Ladies your brain they function sometimes. She be queen. Hey, hey, oh, Oswald. Oh, Oswald. Ivo ami awati akabama. Owi yekpo mebo. Yekpo mebo no jiye Jesu. Akabama yasiwa. Owi yekpo mebo no jiye Jesu. People are running to God. You are busy talking about juju. I'm not against juju. I know lie you because see now. My uncles who want to see all of the ancestors see them, they see they serve with juju. You know, anything where you believe in, I'm not against it. Now if juju they serve, congratulations. If now I'm coming. If now juju they serve, I believe you. Okay, continue. If now God you serve, but you cannot serve two at the same time. Now make I dey talk now. If you know say you don't know God, no go cause devil. If you know say you don't know God, no go cause devil because I don't like what I hate. I don't like what I want this woman for me. Oh, I want you don't spoil jam and nail already enough. Oh,
I also repeated that I be talk and not talk again.
May talk wait till you say you not talk again. If
you say I be
talking, if I bola we be.
Say you no go respect.
Who go me go telele?
Change your mouth. You ignore it. Even though you say you senior me, you big more than me, you hold more than me, you not hold past God.
You this one no God on a metaba.
Ancestral. That is with me now. You not hold past night. This is 3. It's going to 3 o'clock now. This night you not hold past and you not strong past night.
He said, Tessie Joe say your own day your body. My sister. I be my brother. Nobody when you're not day body. Oh, you see as I did so my own day my body and I'm not so perfect. I'm not perfect. Nobody perfect. Nobody will come tell me saying perfect. Nobody perfect. Believe me. Yeah, everybody take day. Now it make can be saying, not be everybody that they deal with. You understand? Now it make can if you not get power, not fight anybody. You understand? Now my uncle they talk and that he say, he goes, hey Bonnie, you they go school not find trouble. I say okay. He say, but when somebody slap you, slap him back. Now so it they be. Not find trouble. But if anybody slap you, slap her. No hesitate. Slap her, don't bo. Slap her. Pretty Faith, go and look after your child before you are fooling yourself. Oh God. If you dey hear Dutch, you hear say tell me say food don ready because if papa don already cook. If papa don cook, we say make me come shop. If you dey hear Dutch, if papa, the pikin come, he say papa don cook finish, make me come shop. Based on who I be, now those one be queen. You know that kind of queen now. Queen will be say that they serve you, the reality serving. You serve your shop. Mumu go to come on, get on my platform. Idiots. People will be say they don't know their left from their right. People will be say they're useless. I beg my people, when I share this video, may reach that idiot and tell her say na everybody leave this small message for her because I won't go shop. I go join my children, join my family shop because my ma give my own no zwa and they beg boy when I be in Nigeria. Ne beg boy ne when ori owa when ori in Nigeria because Jama are tired of taking care of nuisance. We not get money when we will take care of other people. Hi baby, pretty Sunday. How are you doing, my baby? How are you doing? So, my people, see you now in our next video, because if that girl talk to me, all worry about, but truth is better, but you have to tell them, my lady. Me, remember, I don't care, may they not beat, may they not cost me, oh. May they not cost me, oh. You can cost me. I don't talk my own. If you get to it, come beat me, I'm in my house. Come and beat me, I'm in my house. If you get to it, come and beat me, I'll go shop salad though, because their papas have been make better salad, self-made salad. I'll go cook shop before the shop finish. Now wow, your own madness pass our own. Oh God. You know, say madness get great. You know, say madness get great. You get some kind of madness. Some madness there will be saying a positive vibe. Why some madness then a negative vibe? Thank you, my lady. Party nice day, my sister. Go enjoy with your family, your beautiful family. I will, because my little boy don't call me mommy. Esethetic. If you know the year Dutch, go find go translator. Esethetic. I am going to shop. I shop finish. I go relax. Love you guys so much. Thank you very much. Share this video. Make sure you get to that bofu. Good for naughty idiots. Ashlock. Bye everyone. Love you guys so much.